unbelievably happy. It's such an energetic morning, and seeing all those kids performing, I actually went into a flashback and I was reliving my childhood actually. It's a wonderful way of educating kids because when they see something performing live in front of them and they get to get information about it, it's much more easier to understand and keep it in your mind for a longer time. I actually enjoyed all the performances, but there's one, the blue color one, they performed brilliantly. And I'm so enjoying because when you see their innocent face and the way they're moving and dancing and, putting all their hard work in it, you just look into their face and see the hard work that they're doing.
About the see, there was a skit which we just saw. The theme is fantastic. It's all about colors in our life today. And if we really accumulate all of them together, life can be fantastic. That's probably the thought one has to really look at. And life is wonderful. It's all full of colors today. One has to really look at it, how you gather them and take life forward. See, honestly speaking, it's like going back to school. When you see them perform, you go back to your own school days. You look at your own children, what they have done in the past. Yes, the thought is very clear. It's a great feeling. The kids take so much of efforts to really gather everything. Also, I would like to quote, it's a hard work about the teachers who really take those pains and make them perform. आज जो प्लेटफॉर्म यहाँ पे मैं ले रहा हूँ या मुझे बुलाया जाता है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे स्कूल में कभी नहीं मिला. That's a grudge, that's a feel which will probably be there for life. I was never there on the stage as a toddler or as a teenage or even in my college days. College days, yes, organizing the programs, but as a performer, never. Thank you.
Basically, we are an institute called. Basically, we are an institute called Peekaboo Kids Club, and we cater to children from age group 2 to 14 years. And every year we come with a different concept, and this time it's on palette of colors. Colors are a very important part of our lives, and the first thing we see is like we relate to people with what things they have worn in terms of colors. They represent a mood. They work as therapy. It's used for spiritual purpose. Blue represents the blue. The blue represents the sky. Blue represents the sea. Orange represents spirituality. Red represents love, anger, fire. The color green is all about Mother Earth and things about saving the planet, the trees, the grass. The color brown is Mother Earth, and that way we've related every color, the yellow color on friendship, the pink color, which is the youth color of a girl. So every color signifies certain meanings, like a purple signifies royalty. So what we are here are trying to teach children about how each color can blend into every color. That's why we've taken a witch and an angel, where a witch signifies the color black, which is evil, and the angel signifies the color white. And what message we are trying to give people is that you must be like the color white, that blends into every color, and that every color can blend into, and not like the color black, where no color can blend into. So be pure like the color white, spread friendship, spread love, spread all the happiness amongst toddlers, amongst elders, and be happy with a colorful spectrum of colors. Thank you. Yeah, we have because we had the theme of colors, we invited people from different backgrounds. So in fact, we had Mr. Sunil Padwal, who's a wonderful artist, and he's got the best awards possible. So we've invited him as one of our guests of honor. We have Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya. He's like the most colorful person we could have in terms of music. Mr. Anil Morarka, he spreads so much of love. He spreads so much of, he does so much of work for the underprivileged and the NGOs, and he's done so much for the society that there was no better chief guest to call than have such a blend of people from versatile backgrounds with us at Peekaboo today. Thank you. Our guest Kavita Verma.
As Abhijit receives a little token of appreciation from our little angels, and as our other guests also make their way onto the stage, please come, Kavita. So nice to see you once again. So truly a pleasure to see you here this morning. Thank you so much for coming.
मैं ये मानने को राजी नहीं हूं कि I am no more a kid. 3 years ago when I lost my mother, हमेशा यही कहती थी कि बेटा तुम कब बड़े होगे. And that was always a privilege because I always worked for children and I was every time, all my life, I am among the kids. I don't want to grow. लेकिन अब समझ में नहीं आता कि ये बचपना कैसे वापस आए. या तो कुछ सालों में मैं दादा या नाना बन जाऊं, या तो इनके बीच में ही रहूं. I promise this organization very soon. I'm going to have a gala show of these kids in my Lokhandwala Durga Puja Utsav, which is one of the biggest event on this earth. If you have seen Lokhandwala Durga Utsav, मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूं कि इन बच्चों को लेके मैंने अभी 2 वीक पहले सरस्वती पूजा किया था. There were 100-200 kids perform, but I never knew of this. लेकिन मैं आप लोगों को प्रॉमिस करता हूं कि अगले साल एक बड़ा इवेंट एक्सक्लूसिवली आप लोगों के लिए करूंगा, बच्चों के लिए. सब बड़े बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे सब होंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मेरी जिंदगी में सिर्फ बचपना है, बचपना है, बचपना है. आज भी लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि आप मैच्योर कब होगे. ट्रूली एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट वांट टू. आई ऑलवेज वांट टू बी किड लाइक यू. थैंक यू.
Abhijit sir, it's impossible that we let you go without.
जो मालूम है क्या है.
Hey, 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 ha, 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 ha.
Hey, 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 ha, ha, ha. पेमेंट मिला है, रिवर्ट दो ना यार. नहीं दिया उसका एक्सक्लूसिव. दे यार.
Hey, hey, hey.
यहाँ पे मेल फीमेल दोनों वॉइस सेम आ रही है. प्लीज थोड़ा सा अलग अलग गाइए.
Hey, hey, hey.
ऐसा गाना सुनूंगा बच्चों ने सुना ही नहीं होगा ना कभी. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो रहते हो तुम दिल की धड़कन में, रहते हो बाहों में आ जाओ, सपनों में खो जाओ, तुम दिल की रहते हो। हे, हे, हे। Hey, hey, hey.
Pinky, can we request you to come on stage, please? You're missing on the stage amongst our celebs. Please join us on stage.
Actually, Sunday को सब बंद होता है, पता नहीं मेरे प्रोफेशन में क्या है। मैं पैदा भी संडे को हुआ था, नर्सिंग होम बंद था, फिर भी पैदा हुआ था। जितने महापुरुष लोग का जन्मदिन आप मनाते हैं, सब हॉलिडे में ही पैदा होते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द 2 अक्टूबर जो गांधी जी पैदा हुए, हॉलिडे होता है। कोई हीरो यहाँ, कोई जीरो यहाँ, कोई स्टार है, कोई बेकार है। मैं कौन हूँ तुमसे मैं क्या कहूँ, है सच तो ये दोस्तों। I'm the best, 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 I'm the best. Thank you.